Are you suffering from lethargy or lack of motivation, sluggishness, or tiredness? Are you having frequent infections like frequent colds, sneezing, or asthma? If you're trying endless things for weight loss and not seeing results, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel High on Health, wherein I believe in the power of natural healing through Ayurveda. In this video, I am going to show you how I have been able to help so many people with Kapha prukruti or Kapha body type to lose weight, energize and improve immunity in just 1 month. Come, let's dive into it. This is a 7 days plan in which there is a series of 7 videos with curated plant-based meals. Every week, I'll share with you different recipes along with various lifestyle changes which are suited to your body type. This plan will improve your digestion and absorption of nutrients. Watch these till the end to change your body completely.
Welcome to day 2. I hope you tried out the recipes yesterday and made a great start towards a healthier lifestyle. Now let's proceed to day 2 with the same energy. Ayurvedic diet is tailored to your body type. So before understanding what kind of diet you should be eating, let us first try to understand what Kapha body type is or how Kapha body type is. Kapha dosha is made up of 2 elements, earth and water. So the body is cold, wet and heavy. So to get into balance, there is a need of warming foods, dry foods and light foods. Warming foods to combat the coldness, dry foods to decrease the moisture and light foods to decrease the heaviness. So warming foods like hot beverages and spices to decrease the coldness. So dry foods like salads, millets and lentils to decrease the moisture in the body, and light foods like green leafy vegetables to decrease the heaviness in the body. To get into balance, you need to eat tastes which are bitter, sour and astringent. What you mainly need to avoid is sweet foods and oily foods because these foods are really heavy and have a lot of moisture. So it might increase difficulties of sinusitis or asthma or phlegm in the body, which are properties of which is because of increased moisture in the body. In the morning, Kapha feels heavy, sluggish and lazy. And to balance it, I would recommend to have something warming and stimulating. So this herbal tea with a lot of spices will stimulate your day. Take a pan and fill it with a mug of water and add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, a cinnamon stick and a piece of clove. Freshly crush 1 to 2 black peppercorns and add it to the water. Freshly grate some ginger and add it to the tea. Add a stick of licorice to it and also add a piece of cardamom or fresh elaichi. You could also add elaichi powder or cardamom powder to it. Here I am adding both the powder and the fresh cardamom. Add 1/4 teaspoon of triphala powder, which is a combination of 3 herbs, amla, haritki and bibitki. Together, these 3 herbs work together to balance all 3 doshas, vata, pitta and kapha. And they promote a healthy digestion, help in removing toxins from the body and they nourish the body. Bring the water to a boil by reducing the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow the flavors to infuse. Now strain into a nice mug and add a small amount of raw honey. Remember, don't heat the honey. Wait for your herbal tea to cool down a bit and then add honey when it is lukewarm or warm.
Honey is toxic for our body when it is heated or added to very hot liquids.
For lunch, let's make an extremely simple spinach lentil pancake, which is very tasty as well. Firstly, soak dal or lentil for 8 to 10 hours. You can soak it overnight as well. Then, in the morning, drain the water and blend it in a blender along with spinach and seasoning of salt, roasted cumin powder, 1 green chili, and 1-inch piece of ginger. Grind it to a pancake batter consistency and take out the batter in a bowl. Make the pancakes on an iron griddle with a teaspoon of oil or ghee. Moong dal is suitable for all dosha types and is a very rich source of easily digestible protein. Cook the pancake on both sides until golden brown and serve it hot with coriander chutney. To make this kapha pacifying green chutney, take a blender and add half a cup of washed fresh mint leaves and 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, 1 to 2 pieces of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of roasted chana dal, or instead you could use 1 to 2 soaked cashew nuts as well. Add 1 green chili, and if you don't have green chili, you could instead use black peppercorns. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt powder to boost the digestion and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds.
Add a piece of raw mango if it's available. If it's not available, just skip it. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Add 1 ice cube, 1 dates, and a small cup of water. Now blend this together to a nice smooth paste. Ice cube helps to maintain the bright green color in the chutney. This recipe has green chili and ginger, which are kapha pacifying, and it helps to stimulate the sluggish kapha metabolism and increase the warmth in the body.
Gently scraping the tongue in the morning after brushing your teeth helps to remove the toxins and dead bacteria which are coated on the tongue. It also helps to stimulate the internal organs and also improves the digestion. A scrape which is made up of stainless steel or silver is the best to use. So a scrape is like this and you can use it in the forward and backward direction. For dinner today, let's make a thick and creamy broccoli soup. It's super easy to turn broccoli with a few spices and herbs into a delicious soup with no preparation at all. All you need is broccoli, potato, cauliflower, bay leaf, few leaves of spinach, oil, onion and garlic with some seasoning. In a large soup pot, heat oil on low flame and add bay leaf. Then add chopped onion and garlic and saute for 2 minutes till the onion is transparent. Add chopped potato and simmer for 2 minutes. Add water and cover with a lid and simmer for 10 minutes. Finally, we are going to add broccoli florets and cauliflower to give a silky smooth cream-like texture. Put the lid on the pot and let it cook for 10 more minutes till all the vegetables are tender. Then add spinach and cook for 2 more minutes. Remove the bay leaf and blend the soup with a hand blender. Add salt, black pepper and dried dill or basil. Serve it hot and garnish with pumpkin seeds and chili flakes.
Congratulations on completing day 2. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Progress is all about moving forward. Do the best you can rather than stressing out on the small ingredient that you do not have at home. As long as you're progressing, it's okay if you're not perfect. See you tomorrow for day 3 when you would have successfully completed day 2. Namaste.